everyone, welcome to Future Minds where I'm Daksha Sai. Now I'm going to speak about bank. Bank is a place where we keep our money safely. Banks help us to save, receive and send money. Now I'm tell about function of bank. Saving money, we deposit our money in the bank. Withdrawing money, we can take our money back whenever we need it. Loans, bank give money as loans to people to build houses, start business or study. Next, I'll tell about the types of bank accounts. There are two types of bank accounts. First account, saving account. It used by common people to save money. Second account, current account. It used by business people. We also use debit cards, credit cards, UPI and check for transactions. So, a bank is very important in our daily life. It helps us save money for our future needs and keeps our money safe and secure. Thank you.